Our final speaker in this little chunk is Tamás. I get the accent wrong, thank you very much. Who is from AquaBioTech Group, a frequently heard of company name in the aquaculture industry transfer community. And we're very keen to hear what you've got to say. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, David.
This morning. Thank you.
So as David just said, I'm representing a company, a Maltese company, but actually I'm a good example of the European mobility because I'm a Hungarian who moved to Malta 5 years ago to do an interesting job, and of course because of the nice beaches as well. First of all, let me introduce you a little bit what our company is doing, because it helps you to understand why the internship program, what I would like to advertise and encourage here now, is so important for us. Basically, our company has three main activity areas. One of our important product or activity is to do contracted research for the big aquaculture companies. One of the product, for example, which was developed in our laboratory is the vaccine for the Pangasius, which was developed by the Pharmac. And they did majority research in our contracted research organization. Another important activity of the company is to do technology engineering services. One of our main products is a recirculation system for experiments, specifically for academic research. And we also have a commercial scale recirculating aquaculture system product, what we sell for fish production. And using the knowledge from these two main activities, we also provide consultancy and training services for different clients. And all these three main activities are strongly supported with an internal research and development activity, what we also try to finance from European collaborative research projects. We are very active in the Horizon 2020 program, and we are a coordinator of one of a big aquaculture research project. So these are our main activities, and we provide internships for students in each units of the company. But of course, every internship is different. For example, an internship in the contracted research organization part of the company is more an industrial type of internship. Students has to learn how to operate a recirculation system, how to take samples from fish. While working in the internal research, it's a more research type of internship, where we can also provide the opportunity to use some of the results in a thesis, for example. So these are the main clients of the company, and as you see, we define ourselves as a part of the industry, the aquaculture industry of Europe. But we also work a lot with the governance sector and with the academic sector. As I said, the most important part where we work with the academic sector is a collaborative research. We started our internship program 10 years ago, and it has several benefits for the interns, we believe, that we learned, especially in terms of their career opportunities. Because we are working with the big European aquaculture companies, the students has the opportunity to learn more about big aquaculture feed producers, vaccine producers, and we have some success stories when a former intern became an employee of a big aquaculture company working with us. And they can, so that's the most important impact on their career. And of course, they can learn many other things, and this also can help to improve their social and professional skills. But it also has a strong benefit for the company. It helps us to improve or work with the academic sector, but most importantly, maybe it's an important for us to recruit new people. I can say, I think at least 40% of our recent employees, we have 75 employees in the company, and 40% were a former intern of the company. Even one of our directors was an intern 7 years ago. And it also helps us to enlarge our international network. And that's why it would be important for us to have students or young researchers from the Southeast Asia as well, because a large part of the aquaculture development is happening here in Asia. It's important for us to have contacts here. So this is why you should do, or why your students should do an internship in our company. Of course, the nice beaches first, but there are some also valuable practical and applied and hands-on experience what they can gain. We have 31 recirculating systems, for example, in our contractor research organization, which helps a lot to learn about these systems. Some examples of former interns. As you see, we can have students from all over from the world. Of course, we have most of the students from Europe, thanks to the Erasmus program, because this helps a lot for the students. The length of the internships is usually 3 months, and between 3 and 6 months, but the minimum is 3 months for what we like to have students. And these are some areas where we are looking for interns in the next months. And thank you for your attention.